Hallelujah. When you look at trouble, you need to look at it and say you are temporary. Oh, if you could have killed me, I would have dead long time ago. You are only here for a season. In a few days, I will see the salvation of the Lord with me. You are temporary. You are temporary. Can you call the name of the trials come at you and said financial struggle? You are temporary. Every demons and devil, witch and warlock, curse, necromancy, evil altars, you are temporary. You're messing with my kids. Temporary. Can somebody say temporary stuff? Somebody look at your neighbor and say, neighbor, I know you're going through right now, but God said they are called temporary stuff. Just go through your process. Endure it. It's just a process. Do the winds and water raise and the billows rock the ship of mine. The rudder said, I shall rest in the highs of the storm. I feel my rest coming. I feel my rest coming. Somebody says, coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's